Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the perfect version of Capcut. To my knowledge, it only works on Windows. So first you will have to uninstall Capcut. For that you're going to have to head to the File Explorer, go to this PC, the disk you have Capcut on, Users, your own user, App Data, Local, then Capcut. And when you get there, just go to Apps, and then click this, run the uninstaller.exe. Once you're finished with that, you should go to your favorite browser and type in up to down in your search bar. Go to the official website, select the Windows logo, and type in Capcut. Select Capcut, and once you're there, click the older versions button. Then go down to version 1.5.0, and then once it's ready, click download. Once the download has finished, run capcut.exe and continue with the installer. Once you're here, make sure to not update Capcut, because then you would be back at square one, since all of the good features are logged behind Pro. As you can see, all of the good features are now completely free to use. All of the effects, all of the stickers, the texts, even auto captions are free, which is W.